All right. Now I'm not skunked.
Nope. If you don't mind just wetting your hands before you handle them, it's okay. Like you would a worm for bass.
Picture with that.
Yeah, for sure. Absolutely.
Okay. Holding you tight this time, buddy.
Yeah, I'm perfectly fine with them drifting back because that'll actually let our fish calm down.
Pretty fish.
Yes, sir, they are. The blue, see how his tail's real blue?
Yep.
So that means he's been eating a lot of shrimp and a lot of crabs. The iodine in their diet turns their tails blue. So like our big fish that eat primarily big fish won't have that blue tail. About the same size.
I think so.
He's a little spunky though. I'll come down. I'm perfectly okay with drifting out of the spot like we are. It keeps us off of them, lets us deal with our fish, take our time. The other part a lot of people don't notice, but that's real pretty on a redfish. If you look at this part of his head, when it gets the iridescence of the sun, it'll be like purple, green, blue. See it right there?
Yep.